So we had two things on the agenda today, and we have more than enough sufficient time. So I'll do both of them. We'll have some stories and we'll have some peer teaching as well. So, in terms of peer teaching, I would like some stories first. एक तो story सुन लेते हैं and Sakshi Kujur, is she present today? Somebody call her and tell her if she is not present today, she will not be given any other chance. Trambakash, Trambakash भी नहीं है, विशेष भी नहीं है, यश, युवराज, दोनों एब्सेंट हैं. जिन लोगों को काम है वही लोग एब्सेंट हैं. नुपुर, just highlight their name here. Okay, Lalit,
Yes, ma'am.
your turn. Story time.
Om Shri Sai Ram. My topic is Steve Paul Jobs. Steve Paul Jobs, born in February 24, 1995, was an American businessman, magnetic industrial designer, investor, and the media proprietor. He was the chairman, chief executive officer, CEO, and co-founder of Apple NIC, the chairman and the majority shareholder of Pixar, a member of the Walt Disney Company board of directors following the acquisitions of Pixar, and the founder, chair, and CEO of NIXT. Jobs is widely recognized as the pioneer of personal computer revolution of the 1970s and 1980s, among with the Apple co-founder Steve. Jobs was born in the San Francisco, California. Put up for the adoption, he was the raised in the San Francisco Bay Area. He attended Reed College in the 1972 before dropping out the same year and traveled through India in 1974, seeking enlightenment and studying Jain Buddhism. Job co-founder Apple in 1976 to sell Apple a personal computer. Together, the duo gained fame, a wealth, and year later with the Apple II, one of the first high successful mass produced microcomputer. Jobs was the commercial potential of Xerox Alto in 1979, which was the mouse-driven and a graphical user interface (GUI). This led to the developer of the unsuccessful Apple Lisa in 1983, followed by the breakthrough Macintosh in the 1984. The first mass-produced computer with the GUI, the Technical Interface, the desktop publishing and industry in 1985. Edition of Apple Laser Writer. The first laser printer feature with Job was the forced out of the Apple in the 1985 after the mover registered their company was then CEO in that same year. Job took a few of Apple and into the next platform developed company that specialized in the computer for higher education and the business markets editions. He helped to the develop the visual effect industries when he founded the computer graphics division in 1986. The new company was Pixar, which produced the first 3D computer animated feature film Toy Story in 1995. Apple acquired Next in the 1997 and Jobs became CEO of his former company with a few months. He was the largely responsible for the helping revive Apple, which had been on the verge of bankruptcy. He was worked closely with the designer John to develop a line of product that he larger cultured beginning in the 1997 with the Think Different advertising campaign and leading to the iMac, iTunes Store, Apple Store, iPod, iPhone, Apple Store, and the iPad in 2001. The original Mac OS was replaced with the completely new Mac OS known as the Mac OS based on the NEXT's set step platform given the OS modern unique based foundation for the first time. Jobs was diagnosed with the pancreatic. He died of the respiratory asset related to the tumor at the age of 56 on October 5 2011. Thank you.
Ishika Gupta.
Yes, ma'am. मैम स्टार्ट करूं?
Yes, sure.
Today I'll be telling one of the very famous stories from the Greek mythology, which is the 12 labors of Hercules. Hercules was the greatest of the mythological heroes. He was famous for his incredible strength, courage, and intelligence. Hercules is actually his Roman name. Greeks used to call him Heracles. He was a demigod, which means that he was half god and half human. His father was Zeus, the king of the gods, and his mother was Alcmene, a human. Hercules was very strong even as a baby. When Hera, Zeus's wife, came to know for her husband's illegitimate child, she wanted to kill the baby. Hera sent two large snakes into the crib. The snakes slid towards the bed. The viper, who was out in front, stuck out his tongue and hissed it, reared its head. That was the last thing it did because the boy shout out his hand and grabbed it by the neck. The other snake slipped swiftly across the floor towards him, but the child grabbed that one too and began to shake it violently. The nurse heard the commotion and came rushing into the nursery, but it was too late for the snakes. Hercules had killed them both. Hercules grew into a fine teenager, and he was without doubt the strongest man on earth. One day he met the oracle of Delphi to get some advice. The oracle told Hercules that he must serve King Eurystheus for 10 years and do any task the king asked of him. Hercules obeyed and met King Eurystheus. The king was jealous of Hercules and did not like him at all, so the king gave Hercules 12 impossible tasks to do, hoping that Hercules would fail. Task 1. Eurystheus told Hercules, I have got a lion that was the cause of suffering in the land of Nemea. It was attacking not only animals but people as well. Hercules, his first task was to hunt and kill the Nemean lion. Hercules traveled to Nemea. The local people showed him the direction of Lion's cave. When Hercules reached the cave, he hid behind a boulder and waited for the lion to come out. He waited and waited, but the lion didn't show up. When it was evening, the lion yawned and walked out of the cave. The Nemean lion had huge teeth and skin so tough that it could not be pierced by arrows. Everyone in the land of Nemea was scared of it. Many hunters had tried to kill the beast, but none had succeeded. Hercules took aim and shot him. It flew towards the lion and caught it in the chest, but instead of piercing his skin, the arrow merely bounced off. The lion looked with curiosity at his bold attacker, who was this fellow, no ordinary human for sure. Seeing that Hercules was as strong and fierce as himself, he decided to retreat into his cave. Hercules uprooted a tree and sealed the entrance so that the lion may not escape. Once he was inside, he saw the gleaming green eyes of the lion waiting to attack him. The lion was strong, but Hercules was stronger. Hercules pounced on the lion and grabbed and wrestled with the man-eating beast, and finally defeated it, killing with his bare hands. And that's how Hercules completed his first task. Hercules always bore the skin of the Nemean lion. Similarly, Hercules managed to complete all the 12 labors and free himself from the service of Eurystheus, having atoned for the killing of his sons. Many more adventures followed until he found a tragic death from his wife Megara. Thank you.
Yes, what happened at the end when the Herculean trials were over? Yes, Ishika.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened after these trials were over?
Ma'am, he was killed by his wife.
He killed his wife and children, and then he got mad because of that, and he killed himself. According to
अच्छा
some stories, of course, because it's mythology, we can't be sure what happened.
मैम, जहाँ से
But
मैंने
at
लिखी
least
वहाँ
in
पे
this
ऐसा ही
attempt,
लिखा
you
था.
tried to tell us a story. Yes, yes, like what I said, that there are different sources say different thing, but it was a good story. Good work.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
रुको एक मिनट वेदिका. Yes, go ahead, Vedika.
Today I am going to tell about Tanaji Malusare. In 1665, the Mughals had a huge portions of northern India under their cultures, with Emperor Shah Jahan and his successor Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb subsequently sitting on the throne, whereas the southern portion of the country was under the control of the Maratha Emperor, with Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj at its head. In that year, the Treaty of Purandar was signed between Shivaji Maharaj and the commander of the Mughal Emperor and Rajput ruler Jai Singh. Under this treaty, the former was forced to give up his possessions of two forts of strategy importance, Kondana and Porandar. The fort of Kondana, the fort of Kondana, the most important, almost all the fort was under the garrisons of a very celebrated soldier under Jai Singh called Udayban Rathore. Chhatrapati's eyes were set to getting Kondana back under his on his control on he knew just the person who could achieve this impossible feat, and that was none other than Subedar Tanaji Malusare. During that time, Subedar Tanaji Malusare was busy preparing for the wedding of his son. Now, the only problem was the location of the Kondana fort. It is the situation on the eastern side of Sahyadri range, near the point at which Porandar Hills branch off into the Deccans. This means that you can only enter the fort from the east or the west, very narrow ridge, which were heavily graduated. The south and the northern side was covered by a huge mountain, part of which were nearly perpendicular, pretending the fort without notifying the Mughal soldier was nearly impossible. One such monitored lizard, Yashwanti, who was tamed by Tanaji, had ropes tied to itself and paved the path.
Vedika, your voice is not coming.
I'm about here. Okay.
Yes.
After two unsuccessful attempts, Tanaji, along with 300 his soldiers, reached the fort. But upon getting there, the Mughal soldiers sensed the arrival, and the Maratha found themselves heavily outnumbered. A long battle began between the two armies led by Tanaji and the Udayban, and the Marathas seems to be
Your mic is mute, Vedika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, the last thing we heard that they fought at the fort.
No, ma'am. वो तो कब का हो चुका मैंने उसके
मुझे जो
आगे भी
सुनाई
बोला
दिया मैं
था
वो बता रही हूँ। तो मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, तुम्हारा माइक म्यूट था। तुम्हें पता ही नहीं है, तुम उसके आगे बढ़ गई। वहां से फिर से शुरू करो।
हम्म। After two unsuccessful attempts, Tanaji, along with 300 Malwas, reached the fort. But upon getting there, the Mughal soldiers sensed their arrivals, and the Maratha fought themselves heavily outnumbered. A long battle began between the two armies led by Tanaji and the Udayban, and the Maratha seems to be winning. Despite being outnumbered, till a one-on-one sword fight ensued between the two commanders. However, amidst the fight, Tanaji shields broken into the pieces. He then forced to tie his turban cloth to his arms and fought until he was slain. However, the battle was not yet over yet. Tanaji younger brother Suryaji, who has also unclaimed him in the mission, brought in more Malwa, given a powering speech, and avenged the death of their. Ma'am, that's it.
Okay. So since I can't see anyone else, yes, Shivam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, your turn. Storytelling.
Ma'am, is the screen visible?
Yes.
My topic is Giuseppe Mazzini. He was born in Genoa in 1807 in Italy. When as an adult, when he got 24 years old, exiled to he was exiled to Liguria for a revolution where in 1831 he found one group named as the Young Bun, and after later 2 years he found one more group named as the Europe. Young Europe. He was also the member of a group named as the Carbonari a secret. It was a secret society. He He was also known as the heart of the Italian unification, as he believes that God made all the people equal and all have equal rights and intended them as as a as a single Italy. Uh, he was died in 1872 at the place Pisa in Italy, and he was also described by Metternich as the most dangerous enemy of our social orders the because he think he was the enemy of the social democrat social monarchs, and he wants the social democrats, and he he just died in 1872.
Okay. Next, Ashna.
Simon, I am going to tell the story about India-China border dispute. India and China fought a war in 1962 over their contested border in the Himalayas. The war ended with a truce and formation of a de facto boundary known as a Line of Actual Control (LAC). There has been an unofficial fragile peace since on the border, including in 2013 and 2017. No official border has ever been negotiated. The region where the clashes occurred in hostile terrain at high altitude and sparsely populated, running through the Ladakh region bordering Tibet, home to a Buddhist majority population. It is a popular tourist destination. At least 20 people have died in clashes between India and Chinese troops along the disputed Himalayan border running across the Ladakh area of Kashmir. It is the first battle clash since 1925 and the most serious since 1967. Fighting broke out on Monday evening when an Indian patrol came across Chinese forces on a narrow ridge. During the confrontation, an Indian commanding officer was pushed and fell into the river George. Sources told the Guardian. Hundreds of troops from both sides poured in and fought with rocks and clubs. Several fell into their deaths. The Indian Army said that there were casualties on both sides and confirmed three of its soldiers were killed during the clashes, with another 17 later succumbing to injuries. Beijing has refused to confirm any deaths on its side, but accused India of crossing the border twice and provoking and attacking Chinese personnel. The editor-in-chief Local Times said he understood there had been Chinese casualties, but the People's Liberation Army wanted to avoid talking public mood by comparing numbers. The LAC. Now I'll tell you about what is line of actual control. The LAC is a rough demarcation line separating Indian controlled territory from Chinese controlled territory. The exact location of sections of the line, particularly in the western Ladakh region, have remained in dispute. Efforts between two countries to clarify the LAC have stalled in the past 2 decades, according to Indian media. Both countries have sought to establish their claims to territory by heavily militarizing the region. Both have built roads, airstrips, outpost stations, and other infrastructure such as telephone lines. Troops conduct regular patrols along the disputed border. China claims more than 9,000 kilometers in the eastern Himalayas and another 38,000 square kilometers in the west, both of which are disputed by India. The conflict has enormous geopolitical consequences for the world. China and India are the two most populous nations on Earth, and both are nuclear powers. They are led by governments thrust strongly along nationalist lines and whose militaries are seen as markers of national status and pride. Both parties have been working towards de-escalation in recent times, but the loss of life makes the situation even more complicated and precarious. Chinese state media has reported the PLA as conducting joint military exercises aimed at the destruction of key hostile hubs in the high elevation mountain regions. The PLA Tibet Military Command conducted live fire drills with heavy artillery on Tuesday, with reports linking the PLA for high elevation combat to the clashes within.
Okay. See, the whole idea behind this activity was to enhance your storytelling skills, and which did not definitely happen because you guys paid absolutely zero attention to what has to be done and what not has to be done. तुम लोगों ने क्या किया? ज्यादातर लोगों ने बायोग्राफीज निकाली, उसको कहीं लिख लिया और मुझे पढ़ के सुना दिया. And most of you did not even bother to check the correct pronunciation. भाई तुम्हें खुद स्टोरी लिखने को मैंने बोली नहीं, तो इट डिड नॉट हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ कि आप उसके अंदर कोई आर्टिस्टिक क्रिएटिविटी होनी चाहिए. तुम्हारी क्रिएटिविटी तुम्हें कहाँ दिखानी थी? इन द डिलीवरी ऑफ द कंटेंट. आई कैन नॉट से दैट एनीबडी डिलीवर्ड इट लाइक वाओ काइंड ऑफ कंटेंट. कुछ लोग थे जिन लोगों ने एक्चुअल स्टोरी सुनाई, जिन लोगों के जब स्टोरी वो सुना रहे थे, आई सेड आई कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड देम that they told stories. What you actually did, you picked up big chunks of history और मुझे उसके थ्रू पूरा लेकर जा रहे हो. If you are given only 3 minutes, तो 3 मिनट में तुम केवल एक इवेंट बता सकते हो, एक पर्टिकुलर इवेंट बताना होता है. Are you getting my point, or do I need to demonstrate it for you कि करना क्या था? I'll need verbal confirmation. Yes, no, are you there? Are you interested? Are you alive there?
Yes, ma'am.
What?
मैम समझ में आ गया क्या करना था?
समझ में आ गया मैम.
केवल तुम ही लोगों को समझ में आया है क्या? बाकी सब लोग यहाँ पर क्यों हैं? Like mute audience?
मैं समझ में आ गया.
मैम आगे समझ रहे हैं.
फिर से करोगे ये असाइनमेंट सभी लोग, एंड दिस टाइम यू विल पिक अप समथिंग नाइस. पीपीटी बनाने को बोला तो भाई तुम लोगों ने क्या करा है? तुमने बस पूरे पीपीटी बना के मुझे पीपीटी पढ़ के सुना दिए. मुझे तुम्हारा रीडिंग टेस्ट थोड़ी लेना था, मुझे तुम्हारा स्टोरी टेलिंग जज करना है कि तुम एक स्टोरी कैसे सुनाते हो. जब तक तुम्हारा माइक बंद है तब तक तुम अपनी स्टोरी में क्या जेस्चर ला रहे हो? बचपन में कभी स्टोरी टेलिंग करी होगी, उसमें जेस्चर्स भी तो काउंट करते हैं कि आप कैसे स्टोरी सुना रहे हो. तुम्हारे कैमरास ही बंद है ऑल द टाइम, तुम क्या स्टोरी सुना रहे हो? तुम्हारे क्या एक्सप्रेशन है वो कहीं कन्वे नहीं हो रहा. वेलकम टू द क्लास योगेंद्र. थैंक यू कि आपने बिल्कुल जाते जाते हमें ज्वाइन कर लिया. आपको पता है स्टोरी टेलिंग एक्टिविटी चल रही है और आपको 0 मिल गया है. This was probably the most disappointing activity ever given by any class 10th. इतने बड़े बच्चों को स्टोरी टेलिंग का मतलब नहीं समझ में आ रहा. बेटा तुमसे अच्छी स्टोरी टेलिंग बच्चे कर रहे हैं. क्योंकि वो एक स्टोरी लेकर आ रहे हैं, छोटी सी स्टोरी लेकर आ रहे हैं, उसको पूरा दिल से सुनाते हैं, कैमरा ऑन करके अपने एक्सप्रेशंस के साथ दिखा रहे हैं वो लोग। एंड व्हाट आर यू गाइस डूइंग? तुम लोगों ने कहीं पर उसका एक शायद प्रिंट आउट ले लिया या कहीं से लिख लिया है, तुम उसे पढ़े जा रहे हो, प्रोनाउंसिएशंस भी करेक्ट नहीं है। भाई पैरामीटर्स क्या होते हैं? तुम्हारा एक्सप्रेशन, तुम्हारा प्रोनाउंसिएशन, तुम्हारा कंटेंट। कंटेंट मैंने तुम्हें बोल दिया, तुम्हें जहां से लेकर आना है हो। इट्स ओके टू कॉपी द कंटेंट, लेकिन उसको कहीं तो मोल्ड करो अपने हिसाब से। दिस वाज एब्सोल्युटली फ्रूटलेस एक्टिविटी। ये फिर से होगी, और अगर फिर से गलत करोगे तो ये तब तक होगी जब तक तुम लोग सही नहीं करते। एंड ट्रस्ट मी, हमारे पास बहुत टाइम है, बहुत टाइम है करने के लिए। पागल हो जाओगे स्टोरीज ढूंढ ढूंढ के। सो नेक्स्ट टाइम यू विल कीप दीज पॉइंट्स इन माइंड कि आपको एक्सप्रेस करना है, रोबोट की तरह पढ़ के नहीं बताना है। अगर मुझे ये चाहिए था मैं विकिपीडिया में पढ़ लेती, मुझे भी पता है ये सब कैसे हुआ, कहाँ हुआ। सो डोंट डिस्ट्रॉय योर हार्ड वर्क। तुम लोगों ने मेहनत करी, ढूंढ कर लाए, इतना अपना पेन घिसा, इतना पढ़ने की जहमत उठाई हमारे सामने, उसको वेस्ट मत करो। त्र्यंबकेश शर्मा, अगेन ऑन एंड ऑफ, you have also been given 0 in storytelling. Again left the meeting. Wow. Now for those who have performed well in this one, I have given marks on this one also, but I am giving you chance कि तुम इसे improve कर सको. I don't want to give marks on this basis, क्योंकि बेसिकली मार्क्स शुरू ही 7 से हुए हैं, तो तुम्हें क्या नंबर दूं मैं इसमें? So that will be all for today, for this class actually. I'll see you in the next class. And next class के लिए मैं बता देती हूँ, जो हम लोगों का चैप्टर है डीपी का, I think political parties है next chapter. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to find another one because this one you already botched. Your stories were good, they were some of your stories were interesting also, लेकिन तुम लोगों ने उसकी डिलीवरी इतनी बेकार करी है कि वो मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि कब खत्म करेंगे, कब बोलना बंद करेंगे। Okay, so that will be all. और ये जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज वाला ग्रुप है, बी रेडी विद योर प्रेजेंटेशन। अगली क्लास में तुम्हारे प्रेजेंटेशन से शुरू करेंगे, चैप्टर शुरू करेंगे पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज। थैंक यू एंड सायरा।